Hi everyone, and welcome back to BD Studios. Today we're going to make 3 mini composition book covers. You'll need some stick glue, this is my favorite, a pair of scissors, a slide cutter, a sheet of scrapbooking paper, and a sheet of Dollar Tree wallpaper. I love this paper. So for option 1, I just opened the book, I traced it out, I cut a square larger than the trace, I opened up the book and laid it onto the wallpaper, which already comes with adhesive. Then I cut slits into each corner so that when you fold the wallpaper over, it's not so bulky and it makes a nice clean fold. And I did that also for the spine. I cut out a notch on either part of the spine, also making it easier to fold. So for the inside cover, I just cut a rectangle of coordinating scrapbook paper. I used my stick glue, glued it down, and it gives it a really nice finish to your book. Then I decided it needed a little something extra, so I cut out a bird from the wallpaper and I just added it to the front of the cover, and it just gives it a nice whimsical look. So there you have it, option 1. So for option 2, we're going to do something similar. We're going to cut out the wallpaper, but just the cover. We're going to leave the spine exposed. So I just cut out a rectangle. It already has adhesive, so you can place it on the cover. And here I made a big mess. Good thing it is repositionable, so you just peel it up and put it back straight. You just fold over the covers and trim the edges. And there you do the back side, same process, pretty easy. And all of this is from one piece of wallpaper so far. I'm also going to trim the edges here. For the inside, I'm just using a coordinating piece of scrapbook paper that I had, just scraps. So this is really good for scraps. Using my stick glue, I placed it on the inside cover, trimmed the edges like I did on the outside, did the same for the back cover. I love my Fiskars slicer, makes things really easy. Here I also repositioned it. The glue is really good also for that. It's your friend. Trim the edges. And now you have a book with the spine exposed, but it looks really similar to the other one, kind of coordinating. So for the third option, I have a lot of scraps left. So I'm just going to cut them in strips, and I'm going to use my scraps. The scraps of the wallpaper, the scraps of the scrapbook, booking paper, and I'm just going to line up strips. I'm going to cut out embellishments. I cut out another bird just to put on the cover, so that way it kind of coordinates. I'm going to do the same thing for the back cover. I don't quite have enough scraps, so I'm just going to use a bird to cover up where I don't have enough scraps and there was a hole. I'm going to trim the edges, and there you are. There are your 3 coordinating mini composition book covers. Give it a try. Thanks for watching.